Hello, welcome to the English Learn English online conversations. Let's get started. English at the coffee shop. Hey there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like to order 2 takeout drinks.
First, can I have an extra large iced coffee?
Sure thing. What are your milk options?
We have regular milk, skim milk, fat-free milk, almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk. Which option is the healthiest?
It's tough to say. It really depends on your individual needs.
Well, I am trying to lose weight.
Then I would recommend skim milk or fat-free milk.
Okay, I will take skim milk, please.
No problem. What would you like for your second drink?
I would like a medium iced vanilla latte.
Would you like skim milk in this drink too?
No, thanks, this drink is for my colleague. Regular milk will be fine.
Will there be anything else for you today?
No, just those 2 drinks. What's my total after taxes?
Your total comes to $11.13.
I would like to pay by credit card. Here you go. Do you also have a points card?
Yes, but it is in my other purse.
No worries, you can just tell me your phone number, and I will add the points to your account.
In that case, my phone number is 501-222-7363.
Great, the points have been added. Here's your card back. Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes on the counter to your left.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
English at the library. Hello, can I help you with anything?
Hello, I am looking for a new book to read.
You're in the right place. What kind of book are you looking for?
I am looking for a book with a lot of action.
Oh, then I think you should look for something in the adventure section. Can you show me where the adventure section is?
Of course, just follow me.
Here we are. You can choose any of these books to borrow. Do you have any recommendations?
What about this book? It's about pirates and buried treasure.
Oh, I already read this book last month.
Did you enjoy it?
It was exciting, but it was very long. I prefer short books.
Then let's try to find a shorter book. What about this one?
Oh, it looks very interesting. Have you read this book?
Yes, I read it last year. It's a very exciting book with a lot of action. The main character is a wizard, and he is really funny.
That sounds great. I will take this one.
Is there anything else that you need?
No, I just need this book.
Okay, I can check it out for you now. Let's go to the front desk.
Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thanks. I will check this book out for you now.
Okay, here's your book. The return date is in 3 weeks.
Thank you so much for your help. I am really excited to read my new book.
I hope you enjoy it. I will see you again.